So, sir, we have a Humane project and I just wanted to ask you a few questions.
Yes, please go ahead.
What modes of transport do you use and why so?
You mean public transport and private?
Yes, sir.
Normally when I am in Panjani, I use my own transport. But when I go down to Pune, because of the traffic conditions, I use public transport.
And are you satisfied with infrastructure like roads?
The roads are okay, they're pretty bad condition during the monsoon, and I feel that the government is working on making them better. Yes, I'm happy with it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am here to ask you a few questions on our Humine project. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it on social media platforms?
Yes, good morning, Dharmadhikari. I have a consent to upload this video on YouTube.
Good morning, sir. I will be asking you two questions today. The first one is, what mode of transport do you use and why?
I use a two-wheeler and four-wheeler as a mode of transport.
And why?
Because I feel for local work, the two-wheeler is best because of the traffic in Panchgani. And for long distance, I use four-wheeler because this is my family. When I am carry, I require four-wheeler.
Okay. Second question. Do you use your private car mainly for work, personal errands or leisure?
I use my personal vehicle for leisure only because for work I can go by walking or I can use public transport.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dharmadi.
I have permission to interview you and post on any social media platform. What modes of transport do you use and why?
We use normally public modes of transport. Commute, public modes of transport like bus, taxi, train, whatever is available. And I prefer using the train services because the network, the coverage area is much wider. And for short commutes I use buses, public buses.
What are the fastest and most convenient modes of transport for you?
Fastest modes of transport would be if you have a two-wheeler. Since I'm not residing at my home state, so I normally go for the public transport. And we have also taxi, so depending on the availability of taxis, and that's the fastest mode of transport. Anything else?
You have permission to record you and post on any social media platform? Yes, sir. How do people usually commute to school or work?
People, when we talk about people, I'm telling you, the students, most of them commute with the help of a school bus. They pull in and they go together. The teachers, some come in the school bus, some of them have their personal vehicles. That's how they come.
And which mode of transport do you prefer?
I prefer using the carpool. The carpool because firstly it saves a lot of fuel, and then when you are there, it gets you together with other people and you come together.
What are the cheapest options in your area?
The cheapest is the bus. And yes, the cheapest is the bus.
And what is most
The most expensive is your taxi. Taxis vary. Then I have same ranges of the cost range is different depending on the mood of the driver. Mhm.
Sir, can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
What are common safety problems in this area?
ये एरिया में सेफ्टी के लिए पहला ही जो आता है, जो भी आदमी आएगा वो पेरेंट आएगा, उसके गेट के ऊपर पूरा पूछताछ होता है। उसके बाद में किसको मिलने के लिए आया है, उसका नाम बोलेगा तो उसको फोन करेंगे, उसके पास से परमिशन है कि नहीं वो देखेंगे। वो देखने के बाद ही उनको अंदर लेंगे, वैसा अंदर नहीं लेंगे। कोई बच्चे का पेरेंट आता है, समझो उसका पेरेंट पक्का है कि नहीं वो हम लोग को मालूम नहीं रहता है, तो वो ऑफिस में जाके उनका कंफर्म करता है कि यही बच्चे का यही पेरेंट है, तभी वो बच्चों को मिलने के लिए देते हैं, या ऑफिस से कंफर्म होएगा तो ही मिलने के लिए देगा। ऐसा नहीं दिखा। और बच्चों लोग का फिर बाहर से कोई खाना नहीं लाने देंगे और खाने भी नहीं देंगे। यही हमारा काम है, यही हमारा सेफ्टी है। और बच्चे लोग इधर उधर ना जाए, ये देखना ही काम है हमारा।
Hello Avishkar, how are you?
I'm fine.
So today I'll be taking your interview on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes.
What mode of transport do you use and what is the distance to school for you?
It must be around 2 kilometers, and I come with bike.
Every day?
Yes.
And the second question is, do you face any challenges during the commute?
Generally, I don't face any problem, but during rainy season, the roads get slippery.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yes.
Thank you. Good morning, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today I am going to interview on travel. So do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it on social media platform?
Yes, I give you my consent.
I am going to ask you two simple questions. Just can you please answer them?
Yes, I will answer.
First question, distance from school and mode of travel.
I live in a house, so the school is just near my house. I come by a scooty with my mother.
Thank you. Reason for using that mode and impact of the weather conditions?
Scooty is actually easy to travel short roads and narrow streets. But the condition is very harsh as we live in a hill station. The condition is mostly rainy or foggy. Due to the foggy weather, we can't see the roads and it makes us difficult to cover.
Thank you. Hello Kiara, how are you today?
I'm fine.
So today I'll be taking your interview on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yeah, sure.
What's your distance to school and mode of travel?
Since I stay in a residential area, I think only a few minutes, maybe 1-2 minutes.
And how do you come to school every day?
I come walking.
Okay. What's the most convenient mode of transport for you?
For me, I think walking and car.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good morning my friend.
Good morning, Shiraz.
How are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine. Today I want to interview on a few questions related to transport. So do I have your consent to interview you and upload it on any social media platform?
Yeah, for sure. What's the question?
I'll ask you only two questions. It will be quick. So the first question is distance from school and what mode of travel do you use?
So I basically live in the market, which is about like half a kilometer, almost like 750 meters away from here. And I normally come to school on my electric bicycle.
Okay. Can you tell me your reason for using that mode of transport and impact, if any impact the weather conditions give you?
Yeah, I mean sometimes during the morning when I come to football practice, it's cold but it's bearable, and it's like there's no pollution because of the electric cycle, and it's just fun to ride them, like taking the wind in the morning, and it's just enjoyable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Start. Hello Saish, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great.
So today I want to take an interview on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it on any social media platform?
Yeah, sure.
I'll be asking you two questions today. Question number one. Distance to school and mode of travel?
My distance from school is 7 kilometers, and I use school van to travel.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is, what's the most convenient mode of travel for you?
For me, the most convenient mode of travel is bike, because it's the easiest and it's the fastest.
Okay, thank you. Start. Hello Vedant, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm great. So today I'll be taking your interview on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes.
I'll be asking you two questions. First question. What mode of travel do you use and what's the distance from your house to the school?
The distance from my house to school is 2 kilometers, and the most convenient
mode of transport is a car. Okay, and what mode of transport do you use daily?
A bike.
Okay, thank you. Hello Mayank, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today I'll be taking an interview on your travels to school.
Okay, I'm ready.
So do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes.
I'll be asking you 2 questions today. The first question is distance to school and mode of travel.
So my home is 20 kilometers away from school, and I come by bus, school bus.
What's the most convenient mode of transport for you?
The most convenient mode of transport for me is school bus only. School bus only.
Thank you. Start. Hello Arush, how are you?
I'm fine, bro. How are you?
I'm great. So today I'll be taking your interview on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes, you do.
I'll be asking you 2 questions today. First question, distance to school and mode of travel.
I stay nearby, almost like 2 kilometers away from the school. Every day I use mean of transport, car. But the most convenient, I think, is bike because it's more refreshing and fun to travel with.
What are the uses of mobile phone during your travel, in case you use?
Sorry, I don't.
Okay, thank you. Hello Shaurya, how are you?
I'm fine.
So today I'll be interviewing you on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes, of course.
So I'll be asking you 2 questions today. The first question is, what is your distance to school and what mode of travel do you use?
My distance to school is nearly 10 minutes to go and 10 minutes to come. It's about 2.5 kilometers. I use my school bus to travel, and that's it. Second.
What is the cheapest, fastest and most convenient mode of transport for you?
The cheapest is the bus, as a school bus. Fastest would be bike because it can travel faster, and the third will be car, which we can drive safely and come. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Morning Satak, how are you?
I'm fine.
So today I'll be interviewing you on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it to any social media platform?
Yes, you do.
I'll be asking you a few questions today. The first question I'll ask you is, what is the distance to school for you and what mode of travel do you use?
I use a car and it's like 5 kilometers. It takes me 15 to 13 minutes to reach.
Okay. My second question is, why do you use that mode of transport and what effects do weather conditions have on your travels?
If it's hot, then I turn on the AC. It's not crowded also. And if it's cold, then I turn on the heater. And it's yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Hello Kalash, how are you today?
I am fine.
So today I'll be interviewing you on your travels to school. Do I have your consent to record this interview and upload it on any social media platform?
Yes, definitely.
So today I'll be asking you 2 questions. First question, what is your distance to school and mode of travel?
My distance to school is 1 to 2 kilometer, and I come to school by cycle.
Are the roads safe and sufficient enough for you?
No, they are not safe and sufficient, but I ride safely and they are sufficient.
Thank you for your time.